Welcome. In today's video, we'll go through a simple and updated guide on how to disable data saving mode in Discord. If you've noticed that images, videos, or GIFs are looking a bit slower to load or not appearing in full quality, Discord's data saving feature might be the reason. Don't worry, it only takes a few quick steps to turn it off. First, open Discord on your phone or tablet. Once it's open, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your user settings where you can manage how Discord behaves on your device. Next, tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear and gives you access to all the customization options available for your account. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Chat. Go ahead and tap on it to open more settings related to your messaging experience. Now, look for the category called Data Consumption. This is where Discord stores all the options related to how the app uses your mobile data or Wi-Fi. Within this section, you'll notice an option called Data Saving Mode. If it's currently toggled on, that means Discord is trying to reduce data usage by lowering image and media quality or delaying media loading. To disable this feature, simply toggle off Data Saving Mode. Once it's turned off, your images, videos, and other media will begin loading in full quality again, giving you the best possible experience when chatting with friends or browsing communities.